Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And so, nandito po tayo sa ang tawag po ay Scooby Park. Doon tayo parang pinakasusya pero outside naman. So, let's go and follow me and explore this zoo. Tayo po. Sige, tayo. Salamat. Entrance dito. May dinosaur tayo dito. Dinosaur. Lagay natin ang dinosaur yan. So, tayo sa loob. Oh, tayo dito sa loob. Mayroong ano dito. Ang shop dito muna. Shop. So, yan. Tayo labas. Nagbayad lang tayo ng ticket. Nag-ano lang. Ay, ano pa dito? Eastern pa, oh. So, ayan. Dito may konting ipagbili sila. Adventure. Ang adventure daw natin dito. Uy, ang cute naman ito. Yeah, ang galing. So, yan, may malaking egg pa. So, yan po ang entrance. Si Habi po. Good morning, Habi.
Good morning.
Ito po ang itsura ng ating pupuntahan sa Scooby Park po. Ang tawag dito, zoo. So, ang daming bata dito pero tayo careful lang. Ha? Yan, start po tayo dito. Isan. Hi, Han. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Chit. So let's go inside. Here is my bodyguard and holding the gate for the queen. Hello, coming in, the queen. So we go inside and explore. So you can hear my voice is in voiceover because it's something going on here inside, little music. So it's safe than never. Ang tawag doon. Ito po ay mga sign ng mga cow. Sa cow, mga animal. And sa milk ng cow. Ito pong mga nilalagyan. And then here we are hidden. And this is the map. We're going to explore inside. So this is the zoo. Scooby Zoo. So it's outside zoo. So we are just looking and follow this trail, the different kind of the trail. May green, yellow, and blue. And here is inside. You can see the old buildings, the typical Swedish red and white and blue and green. And we go inside in this barn. We will see what we will find. Oh, this is cool. Really old style. And they are using this for serving food. Like a restaurant, old restaurant. And this is... And we go outside. So it's not summer yet. It's still spring. So here we go. These old tools. And we are heading out and explore more. Let's see. Yan po, mga sheep. Come. Sheep, come here. Punta. Hi. Hello, come. Yeah, come da. Ayaw naman ng ay mga sheep po. Ito, ay, ang ganda ng nature nila dito. Tapos tayo ay diretso, mayroong andito maliit na. Ito, ang ganda. Maliit. Kasya sa atin yan. Lalo na tayong mga punggok. Alam mo yung punggok? Ako punggok. So, yan. Toilet pala yun. Punta tayo dun mamaya. Meron tayo. Oh, look at this. This is cool. I think this is a fairy tale and talking about the story of this tree. So, hubby, let's go to the hotel and check in Hotel Kripan. Ito po ang hotel ng mga insects, bugs. So, ito po ay ang ganda naman. Pwede po itong gawin. So, 5-star hotel. Hello, hubby, we're going to check in. Check in. Mag-check in tayo dyan. You may bees. Huh? Let's go in here, and this is, wow, dinosaur. It says that, I think it's dinosaur land here. Let's explore. Only this is cool. Look at the bones. This is I like this. And we go inside now. You know, I'm in the voiceover again because I can hear the music, something inside. I don't know why it's in the forest as well. But let's go. Hi, Lilyfoot. So let's go up on this bridge. So we will see if I can do it. But it's nothing, really. So, but I almost fell down because I'm little bit nervous. So this is nothing, but you know me, I'm just wanna be silly and be funny to you guys. And here we go, I made it, and I'm so proud of it. Yes. So voice over again because I can hear the children everywhere. So this is the dinosaur land. Isn't it cool? Even though it's not real, but it's really cool to look at. What do you think, guys? And this is, I don't know every single name of that, but we go inside this big belly stomach of the dinosaur, and let's see and go out, explore again. Yeah. Well, so dito tayo sa ating So, labas po na tayo doon sa dinosaur land, dinosaur world. Kita nyo, it's really fun for the kids and for me too. But madami pong mga bata ngayon. So, kaya tayo hinay-hinay. So, yan, labas na po tayo. Nandito tayo sa labas. Tapos na ang ating explore sa mga dinosaur na hindi buhay. So, yan, dito po ang sa dinosaur na ginaganyan. Natutulog ang skeleton. Dito, it's so... Yeah, punta tayo dito sa ating makikita daw po dito ay ang wolf. You can see the wolf and the bear. If you are lucky, so we can see the bear and the wolf. We will see. Let's go. Hubby is already here and watching. I think it's the wolf and the bear is not here yet. So we will see. Where is? I think They they are in the vacation. Let's go back because they are not here yet. I don't know where they are, but maybe later on. So let's go back. Then let's explore more. Let's see. We will see if there is a bear in this side. We look. We look. Oh, that is the bear. I think I should go to the other side. Can you see the bear? Sleeping. Ah, ang galing naman. Sleeping naman. Oh, tulog siya. Punta tayo sa kabila, pero ang dami pang mga bata doon. Maya tayo punta. So, this is the male one. The darker brown than the other one. The female is the other one. Oh, look. Oh, oh no, this is so cute. I loving this place now, this time. Oh no, I love bear. I wish I can be there and hug them and kiss them and be their child. Isn't it cute? O, tayo na po mag-lunch at ngayon nag-order na po tayo ng fish and chips at ang hotdog sa para naman sa akin. Kaya yan, after the bear, so let's eat! Tapos na po tayong mag-lunch. So tayo, this is the raccoon place. Raccoon. Oh, look at this. This is also cute. But this is only one. And I can find the other one. Let's go explore more. So this is the other one. And looks like my cat. But same size. Oh, really good. What do you think? Nandito po itong ating moose. Yan, ganito po ang itsura niyan. Kaya dito, yun, natutulog sila. Nakahiga lang. Siya dyan. Zoom natin. I-zoom natin. Yan siya. Hi. Nagkapoy-kapoy si pare. Very cute. Moose. Oh, what a big one. A big moose. I never seen like this in this close. Oh my, it's like a horse. Hi, son. This is the best day. Hi. Hey, Dolphin. So what do you think, guys? Isn't it cool and very cute? So we are here back at where we start. But this one is if you wanna spend your night or 2 nights here, so there is accommodation for everybody and see this wild zoo animal expedition. So this is the nice tree, nice one. Go positive dahan-dahan daw. That is really nice. You can sit here and have a picnic. You can have your own food, but there is also a restaurant and what you need, all you need. So this is very nice. So let's go and see more before we heading out. This is, I think, yeah, I think it's open in summer and the high season. So because of the food area, so everywhere is there is a food area, but this one is bigger. And they have also activities here for sure. So, yan po ang kwan dito. Ang hitsura. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bula! So, bye-bye!